We made Gateau Piment today, and I'm going to show you how to make it. This is a Mauritian dish that all of us love and hold close to our hearts. It uses yellow split peas, some spices, green onion or spring onion, coriander or cilantro, and chilies. I've used a dry mix, but you can actually soak your split peas and make that up into a paste. And this has just got the cumin seeds through it. It's got some salt, some pepper, some chili flakes, and I've actually put a bit of garlic, which we don't usually do. So once I've added some water, I've left that sit for about half an hour until it comes out looking like this. And once it looks like that, you can chop up your fresh herbs. Again, with my mix, I usually put my chili and everything in there. And because I'm only making a small batch today, I've just kind of eyeballed the amount. Usually you would be making it into quite a big lot. And then your mix needs to be able to hold together like that. So when you put it in, it actually holds its shape and it starts frying up like this. You do want to go for like a sort of darker brown instead of a golden brown. And that means that you're going to get that really nice crispiness outside and a really fluffy, really delicious inside. And this is what they look like when they're done. So yeah, we ended up having these for lunch. You can eat them plain or you can have them with like a white baguette. And that's it. I hope you love it as much as we do. And thank you for watching.